Welcome to Fintech Finance News. Thanks for your time. Can you tell us about Modulr and what you do?
Yeah, absolutely. Great to be here at Fintech Meetup. I'm Myles Stephenson, CEO, founder of the business. Modulr, we are a payments as a service platform. So we are focused on embedded payments. So we're enabling any software platform to become a payments business using our capabilities to deliver that.
And what makes Modulr different, and how does Modulr fit in within this fintech space, which is now very competitive?
It is, yeah, you're quite right. There's a lot going on within fintech, a lot going on within embedded finance, very sort of topical issue or area. So we're focused very much on embedded payments, and for us, there isn't one single thing, but it's, if you like, a combination, a layering up of the platform, the regulatory permissions, the payment network access, and enabling our clients to choose what they want to do, and focusing on particular industry verticals to solve particular problems is how we try to differentiate ourselves.
And how are you achieving that?
So we're doing it in particular verticals. So if you take there's the platform, there's the regulatory permissions, there's the payment network access. Delivering that at scale is the first thing that's sometimes often forgotten, being able to deliver it at scale 24/7 real time, being able to deliver it to a very high standard from a compliance point of view, and then taking that into specific verticals to solve specific problems. So we're very much focused on accounting, payroll, travel, subsectors of financial services like alternative lending, and really understanding what the problems are that clients are trying to solve. And then sometimes people come to us saying, can you process our payments cheaper? That's not really what we're trying to do. What we're trying to solve is a broader business processing problem, a broader business opportunity in some cases, enabling our clients to access payment revenue streams that they weren't able to do previously.
And who are Modulr's clients and customers, and are businesses in general embracing embedded payments?
I think it's very early, so it's still we think of it as creating a new category, so it's something that people haven't really done before. So there's a lot of market education, there's a lot of partner education, client education, but we've got clients like Sage, who use us for their payroll and for their accounts payable. There's a much longer list of payroll platforms that are using us in the UK. There's travel platforms, a company called Packsport that link into online travel agents for payments. So it's a whole raft of perhaps not so well known platforms that are using us, but using us to bring that capability to market.
And for someone who is new to the embedded payment space, what is next in terms of trends, and how will it fit into the wider market in the next sort of 5, even 10 years from now?
Yes, it's a really good question. It comes back to that market education. I think we're still at this sort of early stage where people don't really know about the category, and people's default today really is focusing on going to the bank, and particularly outside of fintech. So I think sometimes we get caught up in everyone in fintech knows what we're doing, we know about this opportunity, these problems, but out with the sector. So if you like, the CFOs in core industrial sectors, core markets, that their default is when they think payments, they think they're going to their bank. And what we're trying to change is that understanding, so they can go elsewhere and think of a different way of enabling or accessing payments. So back to your question around what's going to change, we hope that the change shift from thinking bank for payments to thinking alternative providers like Modulr.
And just looking at technology and digital innovation, generally speaking, how is it transforming the financial sector, and how does it work at Modulr? Do you have a team that is on top of all the trends and make sure that you're always one step ahead?
Yeah, for us it really goes into that industry vertical approach, so identifying who are the participants in a vertical. So it could be the clients we're looking to work to, but more often than not, it's a technology platform, and that technology platform seeing the opportunity to add payments to their capability. And it can either be because their clients have got problems they're looking to solve, so friction points and slow processing, reconciliation. It's almost like a sort of crazy paving of payments where all these things don't happen and don't come together neatly, to actually bring those together in a more productive way for their clients, but also more so that they're seeing the opportunity for payments revenue and see that as a new way that they can grow their business.
Fantastic. And finally, we're here at the Fintech Meetup. What are your thoughts so far? What have you heard? What's standing out?
I think that what they've really done is address why people really come to the conference, which is to meet up and actually have conversations and strike up new relationships. And so, yeah, that's what we're excited about, the opportunity to hold many meetings over in a short space of time.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Great, thank you.